Take a pan, add cocoa powder, chocolate powder, condensed milk, and liquid milk. Mix it well. Keep this pan on medium to low flame for 5 minutes or until boils. Take slices of bread and trim off the sides. Chocolate milk is ready. Keep it aside for cool. Add 1 cup of whipped cream and beat it with hand whisker for 10 to 15 minutes. Cream is ready. Place 2 slices of bread over turning table like this. Put chocolate milk and spread frosting over it. Place another 2 bread slices and repeat chocolate milk and frosting. Repeat this process according to your cake size. Over the last bread slices, cover with frosting uniformly on sides. Take hot chocolate and grate it like this. Spread grated chocolate over it. Top with fruit cocktail or whatever you want. Make the cake look beautiful and yummy. It's very juicy and soft cake. You must try it. Cake is ready.